Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HXCE096. This is a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. Nice sounding motor. Truck's a little rough around the edges. Got some miles on it. This was an actual one-owner farmer's truck. I had this thing for a long time. Get the odometer to come back up. There we go. 363,787 miles. That's 363,787.
Hey, if you want to call that guy, got that Mercedes.
Engine still runs really well. It is the original engine. The farmer was pretty proud of that, as he should be. He said he kept the mechanical parts of this thing well maintained, and you could tell by the way it ran and drove still fine with that kind of miles. So once again, thanks for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HXCE096. Thank you and have a nice day.